Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening VS Code and creating a project folder. This makes file paths predictable. Once done, create index. HTML and type an exclamation mark, then press Tab to generate the basic HTML structure. This saves time. Make sure to install Live Server. It provides auto-reload so you see changes instantly. Also, set file encoding to UTF-8 and confirm the language mode is HTML. This enables emit and proper syntax, highlighting for faster, accurate editing. Now you flesh out structure with semantic tags, header, nav, main, footer, to help layout and accessibility. Screen readers benefit. Once the HTML skeleton is set, create styles. CSS and link it in the head. This separates concerns and simplifies maintenance. Use emit abbreviations to expand lists and repetitive blocks rapidly, and employ multi-cursor editing for consistent attribute changes across elements. Make sure to save files often. VS Code shows linting and quick fixes as you work, which speeds debugging. To finish, launch Live Server to preview your page locally. Changes update automatically on save so you can iterate fast. Once the page runs, open Browser DevTools to inspect console errors, network issues, and CSS layout. This reveals broken links or selector problems. When satisfied, push to a Git repo and deploy using GitHub Pages or any static host. This publishes your site. If something breaks, restart Live Server. Check the console for 404 and confirm file paths. Most issues are path or typo related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.